If you want to invest in the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, VOO, using interactive brokers, the process is straightforward once you know exactly where everything is. So first you need to open up IBKR desktop or client portal. Both work the same for buying VOO. And at the top, click on the search bar, type in VOO, and select the one labeled VOO. Vanguard, well, the same I said in the beginning. Make sure you're choosing the correct exchange. ARCA is the primary one for US ETFs. After opening the VOO page, you'll see real-time or delayed data depending on your plan, and then click on Buy. Now choose how many shares you want. If you're not sure, start with 1 share. IBKR supports fractional shares in the client portal if your region allows it. For order type, the safest option is limit. This lets you set the maximum price you're willing to pay, enter the limit price, then set time in force to day or GTC depending on whether you want to order to stay active. Then double check everything and when you're ready, press submit. IBKR will show a confirmation window, hit transmit, and your VOO order is live. You can track it under the orders and trades section. Once it fills, VOO appears in your portfolio automatically. And that's all you need to buy VOO on interactive brokers. Feel free to check out the other videos on the channel about interactive brokers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.